Hey, do you want to get rich in the game Kick the Buddy? Well, today I'm going to show you how to download a Kick the Buddy modded version. So go to zoomods.com and type in Kick the Buddy, and as you can see, there's the mod. Press on it and the mod download will start. This works on iPhone, it works on Android. It's super cool, guys. So let's just wait for this to download here. As you can see, we should be all set, bro. So I'm just gonna let it down, because I'm not trying to be poor anymore and kick the buddy. You know, I have my fill of being poor. So let's just wait for it to load. So anyway, before we can actually download the mod, we are going to have to do a verification. This is a one-time process. So as you can see, it says Kick the Buddy mod installer, please install 2 free apps. So there's 4 apps. You just got to download 2 of them. So they got like TikTok, run for 30 seconds, WGT Golf, reach level 10, Family Island, reach level 10. That's the one I did. So app install, brings you to the app store and you download the app. But make sure you read the instructions, because if you just download the app and don't do anything on it, this won't work. So you got to make sure you read the instructions and you guys will be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super insane. And then you get the Kick the Buddy hack, bro, installed straight away onto your device with unlimited resources. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this actually works. And I was able to become rich. So yeah, they have like an AI you can talk, which is pretty cool. So they've got all the features to get Kick the Buddy mod installed onto your device. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like Kick the Buddy, because this is so wild and it's fully updated and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it totally works, bro. This is insane, honestly. So I'm just trying to help you guys out. So I'll see you guys in another video. And peace out, bro.